We're back in Aptos, where it's all about the beach life in a community that has everything.
Like a world-class resort?
Convenient shopping and great restaurants. Plus all the outdoor activities.
And our home today is perched up on the hill above all this. Welcome to 803 Cresta Vista Way. You ready?
As soon as you walk in, you're stunned by the killer architecture. This home was built in 2000 with 1,400 square feet of living space. Now let me show you why the downstairs is an entertainer's dream. This main level is built for entertaining. Got this great sitting area, fabulous bar, amazing woodwork, and who wouldn't want to cook in this kitchen?
On the lower level, you have this massive retreat with your laundry area, huge walk-in closet, and then this jetted tub that looks out on all the beautiful Aptos hills.
If you're ready to take in all that Aptos and Rio Del Mar has to offer, then call us today.